Well, Harley just did its big 2026 release. This is the second phase, not the carryover bikes, but this has got all the changes, the CVOs, and the stuff they want us to get excited about. So let's hang out and I'll show you what the new bikes look like and give you some of my feedback. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Well, here's the first big surprise is the limited line. Street Glide Limited, Road Glide Limited, and the Pan American 1250 Limited. The term Ultra is gone and the Limited is here to stay. So that's anything that's got a touring pack on it is basically going to be in that limited line. And yes, they've added a few features. Just a couple of the luxury features are they've got a new, bigger tour pack now. So you know when you had a problem putting your helmet in there, you shouldn't have a problem now. You've also got 6 speakers. Variable valve timing, the VVT, is now being expanded beyond the CVOs, and it's going into the Street Glide and the Road Glide Limited. That's a pretty nice feature. The other feature I really like is this new added enhanced lowers that they've put on the Street Glide. You'll see they've integrated lights which will help light up the road on those dark evenings. This I really liked. Here's the one set of bike models that had the biggest improvement, and Harley was listening. It's the Trike family. They finally started listening to folks and fixing the problems. If you know of anybody that has owned a Trike, the biggest complaint is on that axle and how it bounces. And if they've got a passenger, it'll about bounce their butt right off the bike. We have family that have a Trike, and that's the big complaint. Well, Harley reconfigured that whole back end and lowered the weight by 68 pounds. We can get into more detail on this in a later video, but it's amazing what they have done, and I give a big thumbs up to Harley for fixing the big Trike problem. Harley also upgraded the fairings, so now we have the Street Glide 3 Limited. So you've got your touring pack on that, and you have a CVO Street Glide 3 Limited. But guess what? There's no Road Glide Limited. No Road Glide 3 Limited and no Road Glide 3 CVO. So I know people were talking about that in the chat and we're kind of disappointed in that. A little bit of a surprise, but hey, a little bit at a time. Anyway, they also released the CVO line, which that was a little bit of a surprise on some of those, and I will have details on those coming up in an upcoming episode, so make sure you subscribe so you can get in on that. And also the Liberty line that they've also going to be releasing, which is in celebration of the United States 250th anniversary. Well, hopefully this kind of got you curious about all the new line of bikes and maybe excited and want to go to your dealer and check out some of these new lines. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell, because guess what? We're going to be doing some reviews of the other bikes coming up. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.